Hello, and welcome to Oracle NetSuite version 2019 Release 1. The 19.1 release has a number of features of interest for the SuiteCloud platform. This video will touch on a few of the features you might be interested in. Be sure to review the 2019.1 release notes for a full list of upcoming features and to find out more details on what benefits they can provide. Let's kick it off with our new Digital Signing API. The Digital Signing API allows you to digitally sign XML documents with your company's digital certificates. This is a requirement in many international tax jurisdictions. Using a new HTTPS module extension, the Signing API enables you to establish SSL connection authentication using digital certification. This new API comes with a user interface to manage your digital certificates for each subsidiary, permission control to limit access to specific users, and secure storage for digital certificates. We also support a complete audit trail for tracking actions related to digital certificates and their usage. For a high level of security, we've added support for mutual HTTPS authentication. In the past, when an HTTPS connection was made, users only had to authenticate the remote server. Now, we support mutual authentication. Both parties, the server and the client, now authenticate each other. This allows you to comply with essential government requirements for tax-related communications and provides a higher level of secure communication for your applications. Mutual authentication is part of our new Digital Signing API and supports SuiteScript 2.0. In general, any new API support NetSuite offers going forward will only be in SuiteScript 2.0 and not available in SuiteScript 1.0. In the 19.1 release, we're introducing a new copy-to-account capability that allows NetSuite administrators to easily copy a custom object from one NetSuite account directly to another account without the need for Suite Bundler. In this example, we have a custom record for a customer satisfaction survey. Go to the custom record that you'd like to copy. After selecting the Copy to Account button in the upper right-hand side of the form, you can use a set of guided steps to confidently copy the object. First, you select the NetSuite account that you want to copy the object into. Second, we identify all the dependencies, and you have the option to include these in the copy process. Third, we give you a preview, and we validate that the object can safely and correctly be deployed in the target account. Fourth, we deploy the custom object, copying it to the target account. You can now fully develop your applications using the SuiteCloud Development Framework, SDF, using newly added object support. Custom content type is used extensively in Suite Commerce applications, and now you can leverage the power of SDF developing your e-commerce sites. SDF has always supported permissions on user roles, and in this release, we're supporting restrictions on roles. We've also created a new standard role for developers. This provides developers an out-of-the-box role that they can use for SDF development and Suite Commerce development. Locking of objects has been supported in SDF, and we now have added file and folder locking, providing complete intellectual property protection for your Suite apps. We continue to enhance the functionality of the SuiteCloud Development Framework and have added support for installation scripts. Installation scripts are specialized server-side SuiteScript 2.0 scripts that enable you to include setup, configuration, and data management tasks during installation or update. This powerful new feature allows you to automatically initialize your NetSuite account using SDF without the need for manual intervention. Catering to the needs of users across the globe is a top priority. We're enabling Suite app developers to provide better translation support for their regional customers and for administrators to offer localized experiences to their global user base. In the 19.1 release, we're introducing translation support management that simplifies and unifies the translation process. With this, you can leverage standard processes and industry standards, including XLIFF export to TMS, enabling you to use third-party localization services via the XLIFF standard. We also provide a SuiteScript 2.0 translation API that supports multiple locales and supports parameterized translations that deliver fast and scalable access to translations in your target languages. The Application Performance Monitor Suite app provides a new level of granularity to improve performance analysis and troubleshooting. The Profiler provides details such as timing breakdown, call counts, action request type, identity, and contextual information. In prior releases, we started rolling out two-factor authentication. And in this release, NetSuite has added two-factor authentication for highly privileged roles, including administrator and full access. This adds an extra level of security to your NetSuite account and provides compliance with the latest IT security standards and regulations. With the ever-increasing importance of auditing accountability, we now create a log of all outbound HTTPS requests that are made by an account. This data includes the URL, the method, the result, along with SFTP requests issued from SuiteScript 2.0. The bulk action framework executes record actions as background jobs. These actions expose business logic through the UI or the SuiteScript 2.0 API. It provides the ability to pass a static set of parameters for all record instances or allows you to dynamically create parameters for each record. The set of record instances can be statically provided based on search results or based on all qualified instances. Because it's a single API call, it lowers the number of round trips and API governance usage. The bulk action framework provides developers an easy way to write code for bulk processing, thus increasing developer productivity. We've extended the usage of account-specific domains in the 19.1 release to include the NetSuite UI and NetSuite test drive accounts. Using account-specific domains in the NetSuite UI allows you to work on multiple accounts in parallel within a single browser. Additionally, the NetSuite test drive accounts can now use their account-specific domains directly. And for them, the account-specific domain is also returned when using dynamic discovery methods, such as SuiteScript 2.0 and SuiteTalk calls, and REST role service. There are many new and improved features in 2019 Release 1, and these were just the highlights. To learn more about the new features I covered, and the many that I didn't have time for, please visit your new release portlet and read the release notes. It's also a great idea to make sure you access your preview account when it's made available to you. This is a great way to see hands-on how the new features work with your own data. It's a free part of the service you get as a NetSuite customer, and we really encourage you to take advantage of your release preview access period. Enjoy this amazing new release.